everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do the Invisible Loc. This is like a trending hairstyle that I have been seeing on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. So I decided to try it to see if I could do it. So this is the final result. I think I did a pretty good job for it being my first time, and I wanted to make sure that this was absolutely beginner friendly and just make sure that your volume is up because I'm giving you all different types of helpful tips and tricks so that you can do this as easy as possible. All right, so let's just get into it. Okay, y'all, so I am starting off on freshly washed blow dried hair. I actually washed it the night before and I just had it in like two big twists. So I am parting my hair. I like to section it from top to bottom, and I'm not even going to mess with the front right now. I like to do just a little rough draft of a part with my fingers, and I put Shine and Jam on the part to make sure that it's super extra straight, and then I just go in with my comb and make sure that the part is perfect. So I am halfway done. This is what the back looks like. It was definitely a learning experience, but let me show you how exactly I did this. So I'm taking medium to large size pieces, and just think of it as you're doing large box braids. So I'm taking this, splitting it into two, and I like to put some gel on that and then go back over my part to make sure it's straight. And so I am using this lock in gel. It is absolutely everything is so good. So I'm just putting this all over the sections. And we're going to do one at a time. So basically what you want to do is like a flat twist. You're grabbing small sections while twisting it. You just don't want to do it one big twist because it's going to come out. So you want to take small sections and basically do like a flat twist. So you see I twisted that, it's facing one way. I'm just going to take a clip and put that to the side. With this one, I'm going to do a flat twist as well, but instead I'm twisting it in the opposite direction so that it will be easier for them to stay together. And remember, small sections while you're twisting it. And like I said, it's in the opposite direction. You want to make sure that you have a good grip on it as well. So now that I am done twisting that, I'm going to get that other piece. And I like to twist it over once. And then I'm going to get some Marley hair that I've already had for my Marley twists. I'm placing the Marley hair behind, and then I like to twist each side, twist it over, then twist the other side so that it's a nice good grip on it and it's not going to slip away. And I can't really explain how I'm twisting it all the way down, but if you just look at my fingers and how I'm twisting it, that is making sure that it's also going to stay in place and not go anywhere. So I twist it all the way down, but I actually need a little bit more length so I could get that barrel twist look. And I'm just adding it to the back of the hair and doing the exact same method as I did at the top of my hair with adding it in, twisting each side, and then just going all the way down and twisting it to the bottom. So once I'm done twisting all the way to the bottom, I go ahead and bend it upwards and make sure that it's even with the other ones that I have. And I just go ahead and wrap the hair around itself upwards. And a lot of people will like make a knot to try to keep it in place, but I'm just trying to make this as easy as possible. So once I'm done wrapping that around, I just take a rubber band and secure it in place. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly how I did this again. I wanted to make it where y'all don't have to keep rewinding. So I take a big section of hair and I go ahead and split that in half. I put my gel on the part to make sure that I could get a nice crispy and a clean line. I go ahead and add the gel to the part that I am about to twist. Make sure that it is everywhere on that piece of hair. And then I go ahead and do a flat twist. Make sure that you are picking up small sections so that it will lay flatter and it will be nice and tight. Once you're done with that side, go ahead and clip it so that it's not in your way from when you're doing the other side. Once you're done twisting the other side, and make sure that they are both twisted in opposite directions, go ahead and put that twist together and twist it one good time so it's nice and tight and locked in. Go ahead and take your Marley hair and go ahead and twist one side to make sure that your hair is blended in with that Marley hair. Twist it over and go ahead and twist that other side the exact same way. And you just go ahead and twist all the way down. Bend it upwards so that it matches the rest of your twist so that they are the same length or whatever length you want them to be. Make sure you bend that and hold it taut and go ahead and wrap that hair around itself upwards. And when you're done, go ahead and secure that with a rubber band. And this is what it looks like so far. And I'm sorry if y'all hear some like munching in the background. That is my dog. I guess he decided that he wanted to eat while I'm doing this voiceover. But I'm doing the exact same method as I did on the other two styles. Let me know if this video is helpful to you so far. If it is, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. But just some FAQs about this. So this took me about 3.5 hours to do, and it actually wouldn't have even took that long if I wasn't so focused on making my parts in the back super straight. It probably would have took like 2.5 or 3 hours, but it did take 3.5 hours to do, which is not bad for my first time. The type of hair I use is Marley hair. I actually use 2 different types of Marley hair, so it really doesn't even matter what type of Marley hair that you use as long as it's Marley hair. I use the same hair that I did my Marley twist with, so I probably used about 3 packs, but it really just depends on the size of your head. It depends on how big you want your twist to be or how small, so it really is up to you. I only use one thing of Marley hair, well, one piece of hair of Marley hair for each twist, if that makes sense. So for this little section I'm showing you right here, I only use one piece of Marley hair. But if I wanted to extend it, I would go ahead and cut a piece of Marley hair in half and then use one of the halves to extend my hair. I will go ahead and link the gel that I'm using. I will go ahead and link some Marley hair, and also I'll go ahead and link the mirror. It's a 3-way mirror that I use to do the back of my hair, especially if you're doing your hair by yourself. You can see it in the background. It just makes everything so much easier so you can see the back of your hair yourself. I'll go ahead and link that down below in the description box, so make sure that y'all check that out. The video that I watched for reference to help me do this is from the Ebony J. I'll go ahead and link her video down below in the description box as well. And this is the final look. I wanted to make sure I answered all of y'all questions. If you have any more questions, please let me know down below. I just love this style so much. It makes me want to get locks so bad. I just love this look. These are super lightweight. There's no tension on my head, on my scalp, or anything. I can put these into a ponytail. I could do so many different styles with it. And I'm also going to be doing a how to style these type of videos. So make sure you watch out for that and your notifications are on. So yeah, this is it. Let me know what y'all think. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all on the next video.